The U.S. military has anchored a vital temporary pier to a beach in the war-ravaged Gaza Strip, marking a significant step in delivering emergency aid to the region. This pier, announced by U.S. President Joe Biden in March, aims to alleviate the humanitarian crisis in Gaza, where millions are displaced due to ongoing conflict. The U.S. Central Command confirmed that the pier is successfully affixed and approximately 500 tons of aid are expected to enter Gaza soon. Vice Admiral Brad Cooper highlighted the substantial amount of aid spread across multiple ships, while Israel's military also confirmed the successful completion of the connection. Despite the progress, the UN emphasizes the need for careful planning to ensure the safety of aid workers. Farhan Haq, a UN spokesman, noted ongoing negotiations about the distribution of aid focusing on worker safety. The humanitarian effort is extraordinary, involving around 1,000 U.S. soldiers and sailors who assist in the operation but will not participate in the delivery, which will be led by the UN. The aid screened in Cyprus will be swiftly transported by truck into Gaza once on land. The crisis began after Hamas's attack on southern Israel on October 7, leading to a devastating military response from Israel. The conflict has resulted in significant civilian casualties on both sides, with the health ministry in Gaza reporting over 35,000 deaths. The UN stresses that opening land crossing points is crucial for addressing the humanitarian crisis, as the primary crossing with Egypt remains closed. Israeli troops recently took over the Palestinian side of this crossing, raising concerns about the fate of civilians sheltering in the area. Cyprus has been a key departure point for aid shipments, with the US and Britain contributing substantial supplies. The pier is set to facilitate the delivery of 90 to 150 truckloads of international aid daily, scaling up as the operation progresses.